Hey everyone, welcome back to Phaser Tech. Today I wanted to do a quick update on a video I did a few months ago. I'll put a link to it on the screen now if you're interested in seeing it, but if not, here's a short recap. The problem I was facing involved my new portable air conditioner and getting it set up in my room. It came with a hose mounting kit meant for a window, however my room has a sliding door without any windows. I decided to use the included plastic mounting plate where the hoses go into, and add cardboard above it to cover the space from the open door, but it was flimsy and didn't insulate very well. Another problem I noticed with the included mount is that it places the intake and outtake hoses right next to each other, meaning some of the hot air blowing out is getting sucked back in, which reduces the efficiency. So the solution I came up with was to design my own mounting panels that can be placed further away from each other, and attach them to a large wooden panel to fill the gap from the open door. The video I made focused on how I recreated the design of these mounts by using a regular home office scanner to get the 2D design of it, and then using Fusion 360 and CAD design, I was able to convert this to a 3D model. This was then sent to my 3D printer and the end result was extremely good. The hoses snapped in and were a perfect fit. Well, I decided to use cardboard again just as a test to make sure it would fit before I bought and cut wood for it. To my surprise, the cardboard design worked exceptionally well right off the bat. It's really sturdy and gives good insulation, so I decided just to roll with it for the entire summer. Anyway, I thought I should do an update on this since I said I'd do it, even though it's not made out of wood yet. But also I wanted to show what I did in case there's others facing similar issues and are looking for ideas and potential solutions. As you can see, I only cut out one side of the cardboard and left the other side intact to act as a spine for the whole structure and to help keep it standing up. The mounting pieces I designed and printed out were attached to it with packaging tape, which has held up surprisingly well even after a few months of use. That's especially good considering I can still use the sliding door to walk in and out. Opening and closing it doesn't require any special considerations, and like I said, it's still sturdy even after repeatedly closing the door on it. Also, I wrapped the top of the cardboard with foam to improve the insulation, since I noticed the top would flop around sometimes and leave an open gap. After wrapping the foam around it, I then stuffed the other side with a small cardboard box to ensure the foam was making a tight seal with the door frame. I know it doesn't look very pretty, but it works extremely well, and my portable AC does an excellent job keeping the room cool now. So like I said, I just wanted to make a quick video in case anyone was interested to see the end result from that previous video. Also, who knows, maybe this will be helpful for others out there who are facing a similar issue and are looking for ideas. Now that the weather has cooled off, I'm probably going to take it all down soon. I'm still planning to do the wooden version like I originally said, but I'm probably not going to start it till sometime next year before summertime. If you enjoyed this one, then be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.